Good afternoon. Obviously, we represent the Circleville Pumpkin Show, and our request is for the purchase of electric wiring and appropriate boxes that goes to wire all downtown for use during the concessions, and to wire our stages as well as our operations. The wiring has been provided to us for a number of years by Kissel Brothers Amusement Company. They had acquired it over the years, obviously, and they have been our amusement ride company since 1982. In 2020, they decided that with the pandemic and the issues that they were facing, and that all amusement companies faced at that time, that they were going to retire. And so they notified us in 2021 that they would not be serving the Circleville Pumpkin Show as its amusement ride company. That left us obviously with a dilemma. The wiring, the boxes, all the things that we needed to make sure that downtown Circleville had electric was not available to us. We were able to work out a lease arrangement with Kissel Brothers for the show for 2021. They leased us the equipment and a person to come and show us how to put it all together to get it all laid out on the streets. As a result, we knew that we had to make some kind of arrangements for electric service for the long haul. And so that is part of why we are here. We are currently in negotiations with Kissel Brothers Amusement Company to procure the wiring and something that they call gull wing boxes, which are junction boxes, that are used in the downtown streets. Altogether, it's about 7.9 miles of electric wiring to wire 9 blocks of downtown Circleville, and 52 very expensive junction boxes. And then obviously the connectors that connect all of that to the electric outlets or wiring that we have installed all over downtown to allow us to make the connections that are necessary. The total project at this moment, we anticipate to be about $700,000. Obviously wiring and boxes are not cheap, and so it is an expensive adventure. And our request to the Community Foundation is for $225,000. The balance of that we will either acquire through a loan or through our own means, which are limited, obviously. To not having the show in 2020 certainly impacted us financially, as well as others. That's pretty much what I have.
Yeah, I was just gonna say I don't know if you guys ask questions when